Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I've got this lovely Hermes scarf that I'm going to be showing you, and I'm going to show you how I style it, how I wear it. So I've got these two simple styles I'm going to show you. So I fold the scarf that way, and then it's really quite simple. I use a scarf ring, and I got three lovely scarf rings from Shein, and they were really cheap. All of them all together were less than £4, so you don't really need to buy expensive scarf rings in order to do these styles. So that's basically what I just used. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'm going to do a close-up in another video. I forgot to do it in this one. So that's basically just put in one side, put in the other side. Pull it up, right up, and then I just style it, just fluff it out. Yeah, so that's the first style, guys. So this time I'm starting from the front. I'm just doing a simple style. There are two ways of wearing this style. You can just leave it, or you can also use a scarf ring. So I'm going to show you both styles.